How often does the "unfortunately WhatsApp has stopped" error message interrupt you when you're trying to send texts or make calls on the instant messaging app? If it's a regular occurrence, then you should fix it. This guide will walk you through 3 ways to get the issue fixed. You can start by clearing WhatsApp's cache and relaunch the app afterward. Here's how to achieve that. Launch the Android settings menu and select Apps option. Scroll to the bottom of the app list and tap WhatsApp. Next, select Storage option. Tap the Clear Cache button to delete WhatsApp's cache. Now, head back to using your WhatsApp. If the "unfortunately WhatsApp has stopped" error message still pops up on your screen, proceed to the second troubleshooting method. You could also encounter this error while using WhatsApp if you're running an outdated version of the app. Launch the Play Store app on your Android device and update WhatsApp accordingly. That has proven to be an effective solution for some Android users encountering the "unfortunately WhatsApp has stopped" error on their devices. If none of the fixes mentioned before resolves the issue, you should uninstall WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Launch the Play Store app on your device and go to the WhatsApp page. Tap the Uninstall button and tap OK on the confirmation prompt. That will remove WhatsApp from your device. To reinstall WhatsApp, tap the Install button on the app page and wait until it is installed. Set up your account, and you should no longer encounter the "unfortunately WhatsApp has stopped" error.